uncle you, and you admit it to your nephew.
So,
I'm going to say it again. I'm going to say it again. All right. Me not answer your question. Anyway, Chopper, thanks for the accommodation on the platform. I'm Philippine. So my time when we hear somebody and we say somebody meeting and talking somebody.
Hold on, Hugh. Let me correct something. One governor, Sydney say Hugh Richards. Sydney said Joy Bryan and nephew. I know Hugh Richards.
You Richard admitted the other day.
No, Hugh Richards.
Say nephew.
Hugh Richards not deal with batty business.
He admitted to your nephew.
No, I know nephew.
Listen, governor, make you something because sleep. Joy Bryan, listen, one governor, even one governor, Comrade Joy Bryan is a colleague of mine. He's a member of the People's National Party and a supporter. Anything else?
And him is a fish.
Well, him declare. We know about him declare that. A lot of people. But he declared that.
So you have to drive a taxi?
no, not that.
You Richard.
Of course.
Is there any plan by the people? By the People's National Party to implement or to review the bug law in Jamaica?
I don't know. I don't know. This government of Jamaica. Wait a man. Hey. This government
can't do that because Donald Trump win.
This government of Jamaica sign off on the Samoa agreement.
No, party business on here. Donald Trump win.
Donald Trump win. Donald Trump win.
The thing we're glad about to see that all of your false narrative that I came over here with, that we were able to rebut them and school you. So I guess you can go now.
We have a serious conversation. You Richard, are you saying that the People's National Party have never signed a Samoa agreement?
I don't know. I don't know why we are coming them something here. Why we are doing them something?
I'm asking you.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Your party around with it. Your party around with it, but it's homosexual. Some agreement has nothing to do with it.
They told you on the platform, nah, entertain batty business. Me don't know why man to love batty business.
No, you may entertain it. You know why? Because every day when you get up and say Andrew and bring it come and me see you sit down and live with them and you don't stop them.
I don't know what is some agreement, you know. Me say it, I don't know what it is about, you know. Me not argue for nothing, me not know what, you know. I swear to God. Yes, I don't know. All right, wait a man, Petal. Listen. Wait a Petal. You say if you come, if you come yes or no on the platform and you say it and say, listen, who no allow you Richard to say him and say I want to stop disrespecting him. All of them on your course you. Anti-liberal platform. So we did it on PNP platform, them say wait, are we not agree with? Wait, Peter man. Peter, wait no, man. A lot of time I am on PNP platform. And when they do something when me know say out of the place, me I step in. When them attack on something me not agree with, I am not like gonna be in them.
Like when Sydney I tell lie this morning, right? And you are when you go clarify and said about Mama D and Sydney start cutting say your labor, right?
Exactly. So to the point I'm saying now, if you say the same thing for the table, they won't cost you because these people now, they're not quiet. Make we say we are saying, man. Because sometimes we dare say we gone and batty business. And we say we straight. But we not like that.
You Richard.
Straight man over here.
You Richard. Where are you J Bryan best man?
One governor said, you know, me and you book up by same gay club, gay hotel.
Oi, let me tell you what I talk to you. Let me tell you what I talk to you.
What talk to me?
Plank talk to you.
Who?
No, Plank. No, fuck yourself.
Plank. Wait, Plank. Me and you book up by the same hotel and the same club. Batman Club.
No, you're mad. You're mad.
Don't you know
sit down with your man. You must be 45, you go back up with man.
Plank. I listen to the bush you come from the Plank. Stop talking garbage, man. We know everything know where you come from, where you live. Nobody go on like that.
You don't know nothing about me.
Plank, you don't know nothing about me.
You don't know nothing about me.
You don't know nothing about Lindsay you come from. Lindsay the bush you come from. So let me tell you something. So
you can't come on my bush.
Hey, listen to me say, man. Me and you book up by hotel. Wait a man, me and book up by same
hotel. You come and see him bush.
Me and book up by same
hotel. Business. Go ahead.
Plank, me and book up by state gay hotel. Because every time me see you bring Batman business.
Go ahead. Me don't know you and you don't know me.
Hey, me and book up by same gay hotel.
Plank,
me and book up by same gay hotel.
Hold on. Hold on,
Yeah.
you Richard, hold on.
Mhm.
You Richard,
Yeah.
hold on.
Mhm.
The reason why, let me say this. You are par. Show me your company and tell you who you are. You get up your
Yes.
par with them on the live them every day. You hear them across the prime minister say I try legalize body business and you're being hypocritical because you don't look on them and say, low that because even if you do that, you might go bust and free J. Brian.
Petal, listen me to Petal. Petal, hear me say, man. You went to me there Jamaica. Me burn fire upon batteries. When I start travel, I don't know it. Guess what me see? It doesn't norm to people them. So me can't go people just go deal. So me get more tolerant to it.
So you're alright with it at Jamaica?
Me can't nothing about it. We can't stop it. Me go why they me go Twin Gate Plaza. Me see Batty man girl clothes at Twin Gate Plaza.
So when them
Me
talk about
stop.
it on your live, you're gonna tell them to stop?
Say what I'm talking about.
When them talk about it and about someone and this and that.
Me never entertain someone I agree because I don't know what it is. Me can't agree. I don't know about.
Okay, but them explain it, sir. Them explain it and them.
I never entertain. Never simple platform entertain argument.
Before the live get disconnected.
Yeah, and listen, me say now. As me say, nice being here. And when we are doing live, when we are doing platform,
I'm
nobody
gonna do your research and find out
Them
who
are
name
going
Plank
to
here.
Plank can't nobody. Plank can't nobody. I just me not go from
Mister,
me no keyboard bad man. Plank
Mister,
can't nobody.
you need to
Plank.
know.
Plank can't nobody at all.
You
Stop
need
it.
to
Stop
know.
it. Plank, stop it.
Yeah?
Name mute now. Hey, you Richards can go over J. Brian platform for another month, you know.
Blank and Hugh Richards, everybody. One bad man over here saw me, you know. Jinx! You see, over here saw one bad man over here, man.
Well, me come from your club car, we are labor right.
If me just rise the machine can't rise over here, you know. One that spoke over here.
Wanna make people run going now.
One Donald Fifth over here.
Oh, Zika fish.
Stop.
Zika fish.
Bring back. now.
One star came over here. Take back the Zeke Fifths, cause the man there queer rum man. Hey, go away. The man there in a jail are going to some things, you know. Not too right, you know. And care them street habit go to jail and you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, we don't depend about this thing, man. I want look here. A politics
I want Jamaica.
But guys, did you hear the clipping with Vice Carter?
Mm-hmm.
On the clip.
We don't promote cartel. I can't promote cartel and my friend.
Which clip that Philippine?
Any labor in a guy concert, PNP now spend the money, I'll be a free
He
ticket.
said that he was saying he went over to support his brethren Isaac.
Oh, that's right.
I'm not wrong with that.
He's getting financially because a lot of human rights refuse to go to the concert.
A friend from long time, blah blah.
Yeah, but Philippine, he's gonna take that position because the labor them not buying the tickets and labor kind of cancel him a little bit. So as a good entertainer and a savvy businessman, he realize, yo,
He keep paying him and patrons. He keep paying patrons in my loop.
yeah. So much I get the labor.
The world knows a cartel. Hey.
He has a Black Friday sale on his ticket.
Yeah, but
Him say he's an artist for the people of Jamaica. Him is not an artist for JLP or PNP. Him is for
But
Jamaican people.
we have a political idea, you know. All of we. See me the point, me a PMP on our labor rights.
Right.
If you wanna,
you know,
I want to kill you just like you want to kill me.
look here. I saw for
me
reason.
don't want to kill no. Hey, Planka, I see me save life. Where me come from? Where me come from? Me save life. Me not kill people.
We're not for people.
You Richards.
Okay.
You Richards. You see, our reason, so I saw it for reason. But you see, you have to communicate this level of discourse to your coverage.
I communicate it
Because
from the platform.
some people over your side now, like all the brother when in Caution and them and there, where a badness them a preach, and then I realize that Jamaica passed a stage a long time.
But me can't tell them off it. Listen me.
No, you can't tell them how we know.
Right now, wait a minute. Right now, you have a lot of comrade now. I go say, when me over labor platform and railway, blah blah. I hold my own. I'm a debate.
Yeah, but you're a big man. You can go anywhere you want to go.
Exactly. And guess what me know? Me I want card carry member the People's National Party.
We have respect, man. We can reason with respect. We can disagree. Because look here, you know, come with the propaganda a while ago, right? And we don't carry that. We have enough facts to defend our conversation. And when we like, we can have the discussion, and the facts present itself, and you are a big man, you accept them. Right?
Likewise,
You
and
don't
likewise,
accept everything, but you accept most.
yeah, but you accept for Mr. Too, and me accept. I told me tell you, say, listen to
Yeah,
me.
simple. All right with that.
You see, tell me where they are, me I say,
But
listen to me. Maybe you say, you say, you say something, me I go agree to disagree. Come on, move on. You get me I say?
Well, me different, you know, you, because me want to settle it. Me want to make sure that my argument is back.
Exactly. What me,
And
what me
that's why
can
when
say,
they come with my argument, me carry it with facts. And that's why
but
you see a
Chapa, me
while
can,
ago when you mentioned the tax business,
Chapa,
me
me
have
can
it
face,
document.
but
Chapa, me
chaps,
can face tell you, know. Because I still want, me carry 2016 one tomorrow on your platform, all I tax them on 26.
chaps, I said this, you know. You see, you Richard in kind of palatable, but you see, Orin Cole.
Stop calling the people name now, me the point, so stop calling
Caution,
people
you
daddy.
can't come up. You may not
General,
want
stop
argument. You know,
calling
make no sense
people,
to hold an
listen me
argument
man.
with him. But him,
General,
him,
why
you
you
clear.
try
Him,
comment
you
code for the
Richard,
platform?
in kind of palatable,
You see
kinda,
the one name,
Why
the
you
one
don't,
kind
name,
of
why
I
you
tell him
don't
I
have
palatable.
one
one key?
tool.
Hey,
I
listen to
tell
me,
him
I say,
I'm two teeth.
listen to me, I say now. Listen to me, I say, I'm not going to be on a platform. I you not disrespect my comrade brother. We don't see them on do.
Tell them that when they're over there disrespect us labor rights. Tell them that over there. Because you're among them and your colleague
And
them. So tell them
you,
when they might call up labor
Only
rights.
man them put
Tell
up
them
all the
that.
picture and say,
no,
and I
nobody
bat you
not
up my name over there, you
apologize.
know, defend me,
Oh, no,
you.
nobody not apologize.
And without
Don't
nobody disrespect
Chopper,
over here, you know.
Chopper. Don't me tell us over there on platform. And them a beat, so me just make it come, I know your back, bro. Me not going to chopper argument. Me all the parents say, listen, me not business chopper. Chopper, like me tell chopper?
But them boy, you know, so they can't bat you up my name in front of my face, because they see me in front of my face. That's
Yeah, yeah,
straight
them doing that. Yeah, them
size
doing that.
12 them I get.
Just
Even
imagine me
though
the
the one
pump.
named Cadet,
Yeah,
the one
man.
named Cadet, you have to
No, Canada labor.
yeah,
No,
man, you can
Canada
do
labor.
it. Yeah,
Hey,
man.
hey, chopper,
No,
Canada
I'm not.
labor.
PNP.
Canada labor, chopper.
Is
Eh?
it carrying the white shirt? I promote
Cadet
independence.
no labor right. Cadet opportunist.
No, Canada
Bad
labor.
mind, bad mind.
No,
And look
Canada
at
Carrying
it.
labor.
the right, sir.
Canada
Carrying
Who
labor.
want to
the
see him?
white
Who want to see him many more
promoting
than who
an
want to see him many more
independent
than one
candidate.
Heineken? You
All right,
Richard.
so
When you see
Canada.
him, tell me I look for him. I go hold him and buy my one Heineken and chat to him.
Exactly. All right.
I'm misguided, you know.
Exactly. So we can bring him back, but him not. Him and mama they are a friend.
If
You.
my mama didn't need to be friend, if my labor right, you don't need to be friend with no MP. Yeah, labor right. That's not nothing to do with you. Which MP can make you not vote PNP? Tell me.
Yo. My
Eh?
MP. If my MP violate, me not vote for him. If me see now, me not vote for him.
But you
I
vote
know.
for PNP?
We are going to vote for.
Abstain from voting. Abstain from voting. Come in and vote JLP.
Why make you to vote the JLP?
Jesus Christ, you can't some stupid question. If my MP can't make me vote for him, I'm saying my MP. If my candidate now
So if you
work,
not vote for your MP, if you vote for JLP, if you switch,
why you don't switch?
so me born labor right. My mother
Now me
and my
born
father.
PM.
My mother and
Now
my
me
father
born
are
PMP.
labor right.
My mother and my father PMP. So where
Who
you
tell
send me
us
for them?
so? Who tell us so? You ever follow the guy police station?
Them bring me in a labor business. Them bring me in a PMP business. Cause that's why I from a PMP, from a little thing I got police and me.
Oh,
Anyway.
everything you know for my father,
Anyway,
yeah,
General,
please.
anyway, for all of the outbursts, I make me apologize and let's rest it. We
You're
need to have,
good, man. You're
yeah,
good.
man.
We're not put up on practice.
You're good.
But you,
No,
HR can settle differences, that's fine. Because HR the one
no, man.
does it.
HR baby, man. HR like a baby, man. HR
You
like a baby,
Richards.
man.
Hey,
You
Hey,
Richards. Your personal question.
Who's going to debate
yeah, no,
between you, Richard,
affiliate.
Hey,
and
you
him?
Richards. You
Hey,
Richard.
affiliate.
Go on, Richard. Go on.
Who's the winner?
Affiliate.
Go
Ask him a
Go
question.
on.
Can I ask him a
Come on, my
question?
lad. Go
Yeah,
on.
man.
Oh, baby, go on.
Go on, you. Go
Yeah,
on,
man.
you.
So,
Man,
Who the winner?
come on for this, man.
Hold
Hold
on.
on, you. Who
You
on
Richards.
HR?
You
Go
have
on, winner.
kids? You have kids, you Richards?
But then they on my platform, they on my profile. The two boys on my
And
profile.
you love them
One got
dearly to
TikTok
your
and one got
heart.
charge.
You love them dearly with to your heart.
For the world.
You don't know me from no about baby. You know?
HR, hold on, man. Me ask him a
But
question.
yeah, can't be just saying no in front of
Do you
But you
trust
know me.
your
Good evening, panel.
future?
Good evening, panel, and good evening, you, Richards.
Good
Hold
Panel,
on,
you
evening.
have to
Selena. Fucking
understand.
Selena. Go ahead, winner.
Do you trust your kids' future in the hands of Mark Golden?
Yes.
Say yes.
You don't love your kids, them, then.
HR, I'm going to say between you and you,
I
Richard.
just, Hugh
Hold
Richards,
on, load my box.
Hugh
Load
Richards
it
is
down.
only comfortable with labor rights. That's why he's here. He's not comfortable over his own house.
No, man, I'm
Because
comfortable. No, man, I'm comfortable
It was
anything
a
because my
leak,
brother, man,
man.
the only hey, hey, you see Philippine, me and I mend fences. Celine, me go at it and you know, say me here. Celine know me. Me and Celine a political activist. So, you know, I don't mean when me say I mean not do. But I just saw you go. That's part I give. Chopper know that
political activist.
Yeah. So a part I give. And remember, say Lashika tell you know, one time Lashika me a politician. And she does say, so anything me say, she take it as a politician. So me say something but me no mean and not disrespect. Me I defend my side.
Well, you
So
learn a
talk
lot.
about debate between you and HR guru. What you say HR? Yeah, you alone that box.
HR can't debate. HR a baby man. HR a baby man.
But you learn a lot today, don't it?
Me learn a lot. I teach a lot too. So
when HR guru done with you, Richard, you have to go put on training. You have to go put on training.
Teach a lot.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving now and I'm listening in. All right, I just wanted to tell you that he seemed to have learned a lot today, and I'm happy for him.
So you know, Celine, you learn a lot from it today.
Me no learn a Jesus Christ God Almighty thing from you.
All right, Celine. All right. So me no learn. All right. So that means I no learn nothing.
Later, you.
All right, Celine, take care of
Have
yourself.
a good weekend. We'll catch you later.
I learned something today. No. Let us be fair.
Not from you.
One of the two things I learned is that the Mark Golden would have issued a mirror of proposal, but he has not tell any comrades how he's gonna fund it. I learned that.
Yes. We learned that from you today.
As yet.
He has no. All he wants is to get his hands on that budget money. All right, HR Guru, all of you, darling, I talk to you. I'm listening, you know. I just wanted to say to you that he seemed to have learned a lot today.
And likewise, I guess you learn.
Only place think I learned something. Only place think I learned something.
I learn
I guess. And the only place that you truly feel welcome.
You are one general. You are one governor. I'm going to come on the course. Nobody else.
No, man. Listen to me, you.
Everybody else.
Let me tell you something. I mess with you, but listen what I say to you.
Me know that. One governor. I mess with you and Guru, you know. But Guru
no, man. Me different, man. Me take them things smart.
Exactly.
You're opposition leader. Me hear him say, him a go, what him a go do with the teacher them? Him a go make them stay back and teach the parents them when uneducated. Where am I get money from do that?
Well, him soon tell him, man. Him soon tell him.
But you know, same talk at a conference, right?
You know, the chairman was even never hear that. You know, the chairman was a volunteer service too. Me used to teach chairman when I 11. You know that? You teach big man up when I 11. You know that? When
you top gas school, you top gas school for all school, so you teach people.
Exactly.
Grade 9.
When I 11,
you know, got high school, you know.
No, but when I 11, people, big man couldn't read 1978. I tell you that 79, I couldn't read.
All right, and to your belief, you will find them the literacy there. No,
we advance past that land.
Okay, under UFA government.
All right.
Start from the PNP going right through.
PNP government beat picnic. Now PNP government time I beat picnic till picnic for it for learn.
Yeah, you know man, you're not serious man. It's my time. We have to know when to say and what to say and how to do. And every time we politics thing, you know. Jamaica bigger than all we you know. If when Mark Golden win, we don't still have to go live at Jamaica come and run.
When am I going to win?
Well, let us see now election now call 2025 have to call by 3rd. It have to call by 3rd of September.
I love Jamaica and I live in Jamaica and I love Jamaica and
me not live the night, but
okay. But me have papers.
Me go the 2 shots.
But me have papers.
Me have papers too.
Send me it, make we see it.
Send me your one first.
No man, you think more you see me address?
Me don't want you see my one either.
Me live from 2007.
Anyway, labor rights. It was nice coming down. Philippine, bless up yourself. You can't stop this me now. You know what I mean. Petal as usual.
You're not agreed to chopper yet. You're not agreed to chopper yet. When you come talk to grow.
Chopper, bless up yourself and thanks for the invite. Chopper, you're mute.
No problem. Pick up yourself, you. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, man. Petal, Philippine, everybody. Bless up on yourself. Yeah.
You're
I
right.
hope we can do this. I hope we can do this more often.
Yeah,
All
man,
right?
definitely. All right, Papa. Yes.
If them
All
a
right.
beat you over your life when you go back, come on forward over here,
Hey,
yeah?
hey. Hey, wait, Petal, me a serious man, Petal, me a serious man, no. You never see me a ticket.
Listen,
My
the
head
only
is
thing I'm
ticket.
want, the only thing I'm want you do,
Good evening.
the
Peter,
next
good
time you
evening.
come on PG like more you apologize.
Who?
Peter, good evening. What I want you before you come out of the box.
No, man, me not. DJ Chroma, they are being an man, man. I be a disrespect.
Yeah, man, because you disrespect me. You disrespect over VG. You disrespect, you love disrespect. And you know all that me, I'm a 55-year-old here. You know all that me. Yeah, me I say, why don't you come on the, hold on, I say something, because yeah, me I say, I'm
Idiot.
going to man, you know. This is what me I say.
There's a
Why don't you
Chroma.
come on the, after coming the box and two team one, I like it. And I want to self-praise himself like anybody pray that I'm over here.
Who that?
You see him, you Richard, when they come out of the box a while ago.
Richard's good, man. Richard, a long time there, no? Yeah, more than
Yeah,
one
well,
time.
Mr. Wife hours that praise himself and a chat and I praise himself and two him one hand. And I talk and I pray like people who afraid of him. Who afraid of him? We can debate more than more liberals over here. I shouldn't know, I'm ignorant female. I'm going to walk in style people all the while. You can't style me. Because all the while I'm going to go
Chroma,
with
done with
respect.
that, man. Chroma, done with that, man. We beat and teach, man.
Wallet, my boss. Wallet.
We left for a good note, man. Make it stay there, man. No.
Romans. Y'all catch him back, Romans.
You understand,
Everybody
bro?
wear
And
my
especially
flirt
the
time box.
disrespect part.
Who am I?
Especially disrespect,
Yeah,
disrespect
man.
part.
You might talk about HR. Boy, I come talk about
I
HR. You might have that two
understand.
team on. I come talk about people afraid of man.
No,
Ray.
you Richard is nothing to me, man. But the thing is, me and Chops asked me if I want to challenge him in the box, and
Self-praise is no
I played
recommendation.
you, Richard. Listen, I
Self-praise
played
is
you,
no
Richard, in the same column
recommendation.
like
Make people talk
caution.
about you, man.
I have nothing to say to you, Richard. I have
You
nothing
never
when it
hear
comes to
Chops and Chuck
debating.
and Josh nobody praise
I have
themselves.
nothing to
None
say
of
to him because I place him in the
the
same
big man
column
them.
like
HR, you
caution.
listen to me answer, no? Listen to me
Like
answer. You
caution, I
never
play
hear
things.
HR, give me a stick up in them, Mr.
Yeah,
Something.
man, go ahead,
You
go ahead,
never
go
hear
ahead.
Chops, Chuck, and Joshua, all of the top bloggers, them are the big man, them. But the labor right side, I praise themselves as self-praise is no recommendation. If you go, man, that look a dirty style there. Where am I? I'm going to talk like you for that. When I do not pet PNP, I'm say a campaign time now, election time now. I don't have skin teeth with none of them. A Chops friend and a my friend. If you go,
You know, so we have to maintain good relationship, though. You know that, though. And I don't want to hear that, because you know, so be that sometimes, no.
yeah,
You
man,
know,
but
sometimes them
go,
play
man.
them posts, them want to bust off them face, but sometimes you have to just
And the
hold it
Samurai
down.
agree, make him know so that not nothing to do with homosexuality. If you go with them, we that again. If you go, that talk about gender and equal rights and gender thing, that not nothing to do with homosexuality. Not for run with the man, brethren.
Sometimes you want to bust off them face, but you know what I mean? But you know, you Richard, so I'm not dealing with some of your businessman, because I'm not about that. You don't know nothing
Yeah,
about this now again.
he can't say nothing to you, man. I place him in the same column like Caution. I mean, I have nothing to say to Caution either.
Him, him, oh
Man.
So
God.
you Richard, it's a little bit more palatable. That's what I say. But to
And I
debate
agree
him,
with
In time.
Everybody feel
Still
it.
young.
What everybody
39,
feel it.
yeah.
What the air? Now
Prime Minister.
loud.
You
To
know,
attract
labor, what?
and retain. To attract
Bright mind.
and retain. To attract and retain. Labor to the runner back on the hearing. Retain.
Yeah.
What is retain? Retain to keep them
We
in our
keep
country,
them.
the brighter
We keep
people.
them. Yeah.